Hello everyone, welcome back to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am going to explain about increment and decrement operators in Java. When it comes to increment and decrement operators, we can divide into two main subcategories like pre and post. Increment operators we can divide into pre-increment and post-increment, as well as decrement operators we can divide into pre-decrement and post-decrement. I will explain with my code example. I am in my main class and I am going to create two integer variables. I have initialized x variable as 5. If I need to increment this x variable, I can use plus operators with that, like this. After I increment x value, we can see result as 6. It means x value, x variable value has been increased by 1. We can say this increment is post increment. If I add plus operators before the variable, you can see result as 6, and we can say this one is pre-increment. According to post-increment and pre-increment result, both are same. I will explain after a moment. If we need to decrement this variable value, we can use minus operator. When I run the code, you can result is 4. It means int x value has been decrement by 1. We can say this one is post decrement. If I need to decrement as pre, we can add minus operators before variable. You can see result is 4. When it comes to post increment and pre increment, both result are same. I will explain what is the difference between post increment and pre increment. I will assign increment value to y variable, and I will print the y variable value. Okay. According to result, you can see I have increment x initial value and assigned to y, but result of y is 5. It means before increment value of x, it has been assigned to y. This is a scenario when we increment some variable value in the Java. This one we can say as post increment. When I increment as 3, you can see result as 6. It means before assign initial value of x to y, it has been increased. X has been increased by 1, it will be 6, and 6 assigned to y. But post in the post increment, before assign before increment value of x, it has been assigned to y. That's why you could see result as 5. I will explain what is the difference between decrement, post decrement and pre decrement. When I run the code, you can see result as 5. It means before decrement initial value of x, it has been assigned to y. That's why we can result as 5. When I add decrement operators as 3, you can see result is 4. It means after decrement, value has been assigned to y. That's it regarding increment and decrement operators in Java. I trust you could grasp my explanation. If you have any comment or suggestion, please share the in comment section. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.